Want to top up your Google Pay balance directly from your debit card? Adding funds to Google Pay makes sending money or making purchases easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to add money from your debit card to Google Pay. To add money, open the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Look for an option like Add Money, Cash In, or Manage Balance. This might be found on the main screen or in a Balance or Payment Methods section. You'll then select your linked debit card as the source of funds. If your debit card isn't already linked, you'll need to add it by entering its card number, expiration date, and CVV. Finally, enter the amount you wish to add to your Google Pay balance and confirm the transaction. Funds transferred from a debit card to Google Pay are usually instant, making them immediately available for use. And there you have it. Adding money from a debit card to Google Pay is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.